fam, today we've got hummus. How to make. It's super easy, it's yummy, and it's delicious. Wait, that's the same thing. It's nutritious is what I was going for. And if you haven't checked out the Thai chicken video, I'm gonna link it up right here. That's also super easy, delicious, and nutritious. My dad has done this several times in terms of the hummus, so he's got it down to a science. And here's the ingredients. Pretty straightforward. Organic garbanzo beans, tahini. We use avocado oil instead of olive oil. If you want to use olive oil, go for light. And then lemon, cumin, garlic. We've got some pink Himalayan salt right here. I'm gonna throw it up in the blender. My dad earlier rinsed it, he strained it with this, and then he's got it lightly boiling in here for a few minutes, so that'll be easier to peel off the skin of the garbanzo beans. That allows for a smoother taste and a nicer blend.
Rub the spoon over them. Not too hard because you don't want to smash them. Just enough to start getting these skins off. So I've just been kind of rinsing them back and forth, or washing them back and forth, and then just taking the top line stuff, put some of these in here. And then because it's so hot, you can't get your hands in there, so what I do, and then you just keep massaging them.
So how long would you say you boiled it for?
Just kind of bring it to a boil, and then you stop.
So from here to there.
So it's a half a cup of tahini. Make sure before you put the tahini in that you mix it up real good so that the oil is mixed in. Just blend this up. This is just the tahini. I find if you blend it up ahead of time, it's really good. And then you're gonna put your garbanzo, your half a cup of lemon, 2 tablespoons, or teaspoons, sorry. Salt, you can go a little lighter or a little heavier, depending on your taste. Several cloves of crushed garlic. Olive oil, or avocado oil.
Red light.
Stop. And
Man, that smells good.
Green light.
for texture.
Tastes good warm or cold. So, that's delicious. Healthy options for scooping it would be cucumbers sliced up, or carrots, or celery, anything veggie related that is a good serving utensil. My dad also sprinkles in some pine nuts. If you're going for chips, go for organic. These are 2 great options from Trader Joe's: yellow corn tortilla chip rounds and blue corn tortilla chips, both gluten-free. If you're not getting organic, be careful, watch out. It's probably using corn with glyphosate in it, aka Roundup, and that's gonna cause a myriad of problems in your gut and then cascading into other areas of your body. So if you're doing that, try something like Restore. This is a product from Dr. Zach Bush, and that'll help reintegrate the communication that's being disrupted from glyphosate. So we've got the other addition to this would be sprinkling a little bit of paprika over top of it. But this is the finished product, and how's it taste? And that is that. Smash that like button if you like this simple, easy, and quick hummus recipe. Again, you can go the extra mile by peeling it, but you don't have to do that. Subscribe if you want to see some more healthy, nutritious options. I'm going to be posting it regularly. And have a bold freaking day!